I tried using ChatGPT to build a dropshipping store for me, and it actually worked. So if you've struggled to start an online business before, I have the solution for you. If you don't know me already, I'm Tanner. I'm a 21-year-old e-commerce entrepreneur. I run a seven-figure business. I'm from a small town in North Carolina, and I've actually been documenting my journey as an entrepreneur here on this YouTube channel since I was 16. And right now, I'm going to show you how I'm using this crazy new computer program called ChatGPT to help me make more money online. So whether you're a beginner or you're an existing business owner, this can save you tons and tons of time, effort, and energy. So all I ask of you is to do yourself the favor of taking immediate action on this information if you like what you see. So what is ChatGPT? All it is a computer program that is designed to hold a conversation with a program. We're actually going to be using it here very, very soon in just a minute. And what it does is uses artificial intelligence, or you may have heard before AI, which is a type of computer technology that is designed to mimic human intelligence. All this means is that AI systems are able to think, learn, and make decisions in a way similar of how you and I would. And, some common examples you may have heard of before include virtual assistants like Siri on your phone, Alexa from Amazon, self-driving cars, or chess-playing computers. And these are all systems that use complex algorithms and a lot of data to make decisions and solve problems, and they just get better and stronger as they get more data. And overall, I'm not getting to the nitty-gritty here, but the goal of AI is just to create technology that can help make our lives easier and more efficient, and in this case, make us more money. And I wanted to tell you a little secret here. I'm actually going to pop up a screenshot, but this whole message right here is actually by ChatGPT, that AI. I asked it to basically just explain AI in ChatGPT as if it was explaining it to someone in middle school. And I think it's done a great job here. Now, what can you actually use this for? I would say most people who will use this AI platform will just mess around and have some fun with it. But, in this case, it's to make more money. And I do believe if you want to succeed in business, you have to produce more than you consume. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use this program to shortcut your success for dropshipping digital products, because over the last 6 months, I've been building a community to create the most efficient and profitable online business model that you can start as a beginner. And all digital dropshipping is an e-commerce method where you sell products that can instantly be delivered to your customers. In technical forms, these are things like ebooks, worksheets, courses, etc. And the best part about this, outside of physical dropshipping, which was the first online business model that I started when I was 16, is the fact that now you don't have to make these products yourself. You can use organic traffic hacks to make sales for free. And one of the biggest pieces here is you don't have to worry about the physical product logistics of having to ship out all these items, making sure you have inventory, shipping times, unhappy customers, and a recurring product cost. With digital dropshipping, you sell a product that's digital and it costs you nothing. So essentially you can just sell it as many times as you want, not have to worry about shipping, and you have a very, very high profit margin. And when it comes to building a digital dropshipping store, the main pieces people will struggle with is choosing a niche, choosing a product, knowing who that product is for, and then actually marketing it the right way. So that's exactly what we're going to have ChatGPT help us with in this video. And now, just to give you a little bit of foundation so you know what we're actually doing with this AI when we hop into that here in a second, I want to give you a quick background on how the route for starting a digital dropshipping store usually starts. It usually starts, with brainstorming, individual brain power, and starting off in a broad category to choose a niche. And we always start with the main pain point categories that humans have of health, wealth, happiness, and relationships. And then we break down, let's say, for example, it's relationships. We break that down into a specific sub niche, which we could say is, to get more, how to get more matches on Tinder. That could be a specific audience, a specific sub niche under relationships, which is a human pain point. Then I do market research, product research, and start putting all the pieces together. But now we don't have to do all of that ourselves with this individual brain power. So now let's get to the fun part here. Head over to this AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how this can work. Now we're on the computer program ChatGPT. And I actually just had this dialogue quickly before I filmed this video, and I just thought it was so amazing that I really just wanted to share this one. We are going to mess around with some new dialogue, but I just thought this basically helped me shortcut the entire process and challenge and brainstorming of choosing a niche and potential product ideas. So the dialogue chat starts right down here at the bottom, and what I asked is just, can you give me 10 ideas of niches that cater towards human pain points? And it immediately came back here with these 10 ideas for niches inside of our main category pain points that I mentioned of health, wealth, happiness, relationships. You can see here physical therapy, mental health, nutrition, beauty, relationships, stress management, sleep solutions, I like that one, financial planning, career coaching, and time management and productivity. And what I thought was cool is the last one. I was like, okay, that could be a good idea for a niche for digital products. So to ask about the digital product side, I said, is time management a good market to sell digital products in? It said, yes, time management is a good market to sell digital products in because many people are looking for ways to improve their productivity and get more done in less time. If I know it's a good market, now I just need to know who am I going to be selling to and my ideal customer, because I can't just make a digital dropshipping store for time management. That's way too broad. It's going to be much more difficult to sell digital products marketing as just the time management store compared to time management for X, whether that's for busy moms, whether that's for business owners, whether that's for construction workers or anybody. It's a specific market, which is what I like to call a sub niche for digital dropshipping. So I asked, who is the target demographic for time management digital products? And it said it could be a wide range, including students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and really just anyone. So the way I looked at this when deciding, okay, who do I want to, choose as my specific sub niche and my ideal customer, seeing, who is actually going to be, the person that needs this the most and is willing to invest into themselves to get a digital solution out of this specific pain point. And immediately, as a business owner and entrepreneur myself, I saw entrepreneurs and said, okay, entrepreneurs, obviously it's a crazy life as a business owner. If you own a business, and it's your full-time thing, it's ups and downs. It can be very hectic, and time can just kind of be lost sometimes. And I decided, okay, I'm going to do time management digital products for entrepreneurs. That's going to be my specific sub niche, my ideal customer. So then I came down here, I said, I want to create a digital product to help e-commerce entrepreneurs. I even went more in depth and said to manage their time better. Can you give me some ideas? And I said, sure, here are some ideas for digital products that could help e-commerce entrepreneurs manage their time better. And what's cool is it knows exactly, the difference between just me saying entrepreneur versus e-commerce entrepreneur. So it came down here to a time tracking and productivity app, and then it came down here to an online course or webinar for the needs of e-commerce entrepreneurs. And then one that I really, really liked here was the third idea it gave me, which was a suite of tools and templates for e-commerce entrepreneurs to use in their daily operations. This thing is so smart. For product launch checklists, customer support scripts, and order fulfillment processes, which is really, really cool and could help them streamline the processes. And, here's a couple other ideas with some more accountability, Facebook groups, Slack channels, which are, again, super great ideas. If you know or have watched any of my other digital dropshipping videos, you know how cool this really is compared to doing this the manual way. And, it really, really came down here to focusing and providing practical, actionable solutions, which is exactly the purpose of digital dropshipping, solving real life problems with digital solutions. So, taking that idea of the third one here, I just wanted to, quickly ask it, can you write a customer support script for an e-commerce business that could be used in an ebook? And the reason I said an ebook is just because an ebook is, one of the easiest digital products just to get started with in your niche, so that you can just make it and start marketing it and making sales to get proof of concept. And if it works, then you're going to start creating more digital products that are a little bit more advanced or in depth. So it immediately just came back here. It's kind of an open-ended dialogue I placed, but it gave me a quick customer support email response template, as you can see right here, which is super, super cool. Let's see if we can feed off of this prior question here and ask it, can you make the script focused on customer who said they are having trouble accessing our digital product? I lost connection to my hotspot, so I had to refresh the page, but I did copy it before I had to reload it. Now, it's not going to be able to feed off the original script, so let me tell it, I'm building a business that sells digital products for, or let's say sells time management digital products for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Can you please make a customer support script focused on responding to a customer who said they're having trouble accessing our digital product. So this is a very, look at how quick this respond. And this was a very kind of in-depth dialogue I put. Thanks for reaching out. I'm sorry you're having access. I'm sorry to hear that you're having trouble accessing our digital product. First, make sure you're using the correct login information. Okay, look at this. This is a full script. Now, literally, if I chose time management for e-commerce entrepreneurs as my niche for a digital dropshipping store, and I wanted to start with a product that gives customer support scripts to help you, kind of streamline everything, this is a great way to do it. I could just ask for specific dialogues in here, and I can even ask it, can you give me 5 ebook ideas? Here are 5 ebook ideas for your digital product business. The time-saving e-commerce entrepreneur, 10 proven strategies for running a successful online business. Okay, so this wasn't really what I was looking for. I was looking for more maybe things like the customer support script or something else. But hey, this is even better. Honestly, I get to see these different name ideas, which is great because some people struggle with it because I can't just sell time management ebook. It's again the brand. It can't just be time management ebook. It has to be something seen as more valuable and something with some perceived value. And this is a great way of it. So let's say we're doing an ebook for all these different options. The e-commerce time management toolkit, a comprehensive guide to organizing your business, prioritizing your tasks, and managing your time effectively. Now, I'm curious to see, I haven't tried this. Can you write an ebook about, here is an ebook about, I basically just copied the name and put there. Introduction. This is insane. This is really insane. Because in digital dropshipping, there's a couple different resources we use for creating our digital products. And one is using PLR content, existing pieces of digital products that we can buy the rights to for a small one-time fee. And 2 is freelancers, Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Third option is making it yourself. And now another option is using something like this AI to get your framework for your digital product. And I don't expect this to be perfect, exactly what I'm looking for. Oops. But I can at least take that framework and, edit it how I want to, for my potential digital product. Sometimes if it gets too overloaded, I just refresh the page. Let's edit this. Can you write an ebook for my digital product business that helps e-commerce business owners manage their time? The product name is, okay. And this is a pretty crazy input, to be honest. All right, so here it's giving us a rough outline for the ebook. Now this is crazy because it basically just gives me everything I need to do, whether I wanted to take this framework, give it to a freelancer to write an ebook, if I wanted to do it myself, or I could even take these individual chapters and ask the AI to, write it out. And it's really crazy because you can add things even like emotion into the equation. Let's say I wanted to write a sad ebook. Can you write a sad ebook story? And I'm just going to lower the name of the ebook to manage the input a little bit. But can you write a sad ebook story for my digital product business that helps e-commerce business owners manage their time? The product name is the e-commerce time management toolkit. Look at how crazy this is. I didn't know what to expect when I put in sad story. But look at this, the title, The Price of Procrastination. It's literally just telling a story about an individual business owner who was putting things off to the last minute. It tells a story of what happens and the lesson learned. So this is super crazy. What I just showed you is exactly how I'm using AI to make more money, and that's just scratching the surface. So if this video gets 500 likes, I'm going to make a full video showing you how to use this to actually create winning marketing campaigns on social media, because that's another beast in itself, and it's super, super cool. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a big like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.